5 Impressive health and beauty benefits of orange juice. What first comes into your mind when hearing orange juice? Healthy diet, fitness, summer picnic breakfasts with a glass of freshly squeezed sun-colored, delicious drink? Who doesn't know the suddenly more guilt-free cocktail hour when you replace a sugary soft drink mixer with an orange juice? This citrus fruit has been a synonym for healthy eating for centuries. 1. Does orange juice boost our immune system? Oranges are a rich source of vitamin C. A single serving has more than 200% of the vitamin C daily requirement of your body. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant, destroying or neutralizing free radicals before they do damage. Also, other aspects of our immune system are stimulated by it, and on top of that, ascorbic acid, Vit C, is one of the crucial components of collagen, necessary to repair cells and for growing new tissues in our body. 2. How does it influence your skin? Fighting free radicals slows down the production of wrinkles, and therefore premature aging, while helping our body produce collagen and elastin helps maintain the skin's elasticity. Besides that, oranges have a high content of citric acid aiding skin exfoliation, helping to dry out acne and improving the overall look of your skin. 3. Oranges detoxify your body. Rich in various antioxidants, helping protect the body against oxidative damage and various diseases, orange juice is also excellent support for our cardiovascular health. More importantly, the greatest function of antioxidants is to help prevent cancer, by keeping the DNA of healthy cells from mutating into cancerous cells. 4. Vitamin B9 in oranges helps to prevent anemia. Folate or B9 vitamin, essential for creating DNA and the growth of new cells, particularly important during pregnancy and breastfeeding, promotes building new red blood cells, which supply oxygen to our body and prevent anemia. Only the well-oxygenated organism can work at its full capacity. 5. Citrus fruits reduce inflammation and reduce blood pressure. By reducing inflammation, they protect the heart and support cardiovascular health in general. Hesperidin in orange juice not only protects the body against diseases and cancer, but also promotes the healthy activity and functioning of blood vessels. However, vitamin C is what most people immediately think of. Oranges also contain vitamin A, iron, calcium, potassium, and various B-complex vitamins. Orange juice is an excellent way to start a day, though the tricky part is that, just like any other fruit juice, the orange one is high in sugar, so it's important to drink it in moderation.